this bone here that Eric mentioned, the sphenoid, which he said was cricket. If someone has to keep adjusting your atlas over and over, the missing part can be what we call cranial scoliosis, meaning there's scoliosis up here, which causes scoliosis driven all the way down. That could be where your scoliosis came way back when. And so I'm going to feel through and look for anything stuck. This part of your head is bulging out this way. I can feel the twisting right off the bat when my hands touch.
Picture of me with bruise on both sides of my head.
So there's a significant twist, and this is old. This is going to be very easy. It should be painless. I want you to take deep breaths in and out, and I'm following where the restriction is and where's the block. And I want you to go back to that memory when you said, do you remember falling down the stairs at all? Or you just said your mouth told you?
I was a little violent, but I do have pictures of it.
Yeah, I feel tension through your teeth. So the nerve that innervates the trigeminal nerve.
And mostly just remember when that ball rocked me.
Okay, let's go back on that memory. I want you to put yourself back there. If you feel any emotions come up, sadness, scared, fearful, anxiety about that ball hitting you, I want you to let that go right now too. Nice deep breath in and out. There's one that I just got some tension out of your brain right there. Stop and go underneath so I can feel the next piece is going to be back here. Is how you imagine God's perfect love. And I want this area to just mirror God's perfect love and nothing else. Because if it mirrors God's perfect love, it can relax, right? That feels like. And then I'm going to begin to unwind the back of your skull. And there you go, I'm already doing it. This right here can cause tinnitus. Tinnitus, what emotion would you call it?
Fear.
Okay. Now I want you to let go of that fear. Yes, you're doing it. There. Already just thank you. And this is anxiety over here. Feel where I'm going to dig here? Have you ever felt anxiety in our lives?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yes. Okay. Now we have tension across here. This is your prefrontal cortex. And have a moment for yourself here to let that go. You're almost about to let go of it. Don't hold anything back, and then try to get that open so you can go and let those emotions just pass through you. Breathe into that. And really let go of that, whatever loss, when I say that word, whatever comes to your mind. There you go. Let it go. Go into that. There you go. Go into that. Yes. Go into that. Just let your emotions out. There, that's part of the tinnitus back that I just released. There, go deeper with that and get under your eyes and up the picture. Do you know that you are loved? Deep down, deep in the deepest part of your heart.
Yes.
Okay, I want you to go into that part right now. That part. Let them out. Don't hold anything back. Let them out. This is stuff that it's wanting to let go. Your body wants to release a bunch of tension in there. God keeps telling me that let Doris know there's a moment in your life you didn't feel loved. Go in that all in. Let it go. Let your body feel that love. Let it pour out. It's your moment, Doris. Let it fully out. This is your moment. God wants you to feel that love. That's why you're here today. He wants you to feel that love, and that little girl wants to feel that love. It's all your free will to let that in and let God's perfect love into there. You don't have to hold your head anymore. You're trying to just do the work. Let me hold it. Just that trust in me right now. Yes, there you go. You need to forgive them and love them and want the best for them. Let it completely go. It's holding you back. Okay, Doris, now what I want you to see is I want you to leave these physical things you're experiencing, like the tinnitus. I want you to walk through that cross. He says, I have all these gifts for you now that you've let go of that resentment. I have you think you're not done. I have a whole nother plan for you of ways I want to use you, but I needed you to get rid of that resentment. So I want you to step through that cross. We're stepping into that resurrected Jesus, and now you can go right into the relationship with God. There you go. And just rest in that. He said he just wants to rest and hold you. Now you're feeling that peace that's beginning to balance. Your whole head's changing shape right now. You're beginning to feel balanced, nurtured. It's like a heavenly IV just started going through you, restoring everything. I want you to even see your whole spine straighten out and lengthen out, and all the scoliosis be healed. There we go. A bunch of just changes, but feel that peace, Doris. That's heavenly peace coming through your body right now. And see that had your signature on it before, but now you don't need to be fearful, anxiety, worried. Completely tear that up to throw it away. But I want you to see Jesus give you a new decree of who you actually are. This peaceful feeling. You're meant to have this. You're worthy of having this. And I want you to sign that and put that in your heart, that you get to have that perfect love flow through you. Before you started in here to right now, what do you think?
More at ease with myself.
When we're burdened, we feel heaviness and weighted down by the world and anxiety and fear, and that we're meant to feel like the word you used, expansive, or like I used, lighter. This you can have all the time. So you can remember this feeling and keep going back to it, because this is who you're meant to wire yourself into. And that's why you're here, because that was a block in you. And that was one created from multiple things, from wounds from people to physical injuries to emotions just stuck in you. Expansive is helping others, you said.
Huge impression on me. And that's the way I want to feel all the time. It was weird, wasn't it?
Yeah. But that's something you relate to now, right? You're saying that feeling, yeah.
I still remember that feeling. Yeah.
Yeah, still there. Like that you just released a bunch of stuff, and that your body remembered what truly matters, right?
Yeah.
And that it's things like, it's all the other things don't matter that we make matter in life. It's these kind of things when you feel that lightness, that expansiveness, love that comes through you, love, and that only one person can do this.